Hello friends, my name is Josie. This week has been one of the weeks that I feel like crying too much, but the crying is not coming. Yeah, it has been disappointment upon disappointment, and I don't know, but one thing I know for sure is that I'm going to take care of our finances and we're going to be fine. Yes, that's one thing. So one of the things I'm doing to take care of our finances is our peace of mind fund. Peace of mind fund is like a month ahead. And if I'm done paying all my debt and we don't have any debt, what we're going to do is that we're going to build it up to about 3 to 6 months, which we already have kind of emergency fund. It's about 3 months ish. But we have a lot of stuff that we are trying to do. So at times I don't count that one as emergency fund, because if we start doing all those things, all that money will not be enough. So I'm building from a scratch kind of thing. So today I'm going to cast out our peace of mind fund, and I'm going to do 2 leaves instead of 1. Normally I'll do 1, but I kind of got money. I pay quite a lot into my student loan, so I feel like I should put some kind of money into this. And for those of you who haven't seen the video yet, trust me, I have opened a high yield savings account for the peace of mind fund, and I've set them into categories, which is very nice. Anytime I go into the account, I look at it and I get so excited. I will show it on the screen here for you guys to see how cute it is. That's why I love the Ally high yield savings account. You can set the buckets, and it's one of the game changing. Yeah, it is. Trust me. They are not sponsors to this video, but I can leave my link in case you want to open the account. You can click on my link, and I think they will give me a commission for it, which I'm not sure, but you can use my link to open one. High yield savings account is the jam. You can put in your savings there. So right now I'm putting in my sinking fund, my peace of mind fund. If I do any challenge, I'll go put it in a high yield savings account if I'm not using it for my student loan. So let's count the money, then we will start casting these. 100, 1, 2, 140, 150, then 160. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So that makes it 200, and it means I'm going to get 2 leaves for each. Let me put the money here and see how it goes. Okay, I hope you can see the money over there. So what we are going to do is I have my tracking over here, and I have my pen also. So let's see. So for mortgage is getting 2, so it means it's getting $100. You guys know that I've already put 10 leaves in the high yield savings account already. So today we're doing 2. Let me go in the middle. I hope everybody is doing very well. I don't know how I'm feeling. I don't think I'm feeling okay, but I kind of want to hide it. I'm feeling okay, but I'm not. So now we have 150. When it gets to 500, it means it has to go to the high yield savings account, right? So here we go. Okay. Then for food is getting 20 for each leaf, so it's getting 40. Okay. So 40, so we have 60. I love it. Then for gas is getting $10 because we're getting 2 of them. For car insurance is getting $12. That's $12. For phone is getting $8. Okay, each of them get 4, so that's 7, then 8. Two, three, 4, 6, 7, 8. For electricity is also getting 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then for gas is getting 6. So for internet is also getting 6. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For Apple One is getting just $2. So 2. Each leaf gets $1. And for miscellaneous, that one is also getting $8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's all for the Peace of Mind Fund. Let me go ahead and do the major tracker. Okay, so that's all for that today. So thanks for watching me. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so. and I will see you in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye bye bye.